Hi, you guys. We are in our grammar packet still for the month of September. This week, you will be finishing this packet. Today, we are doing page 7 and page 8, okay? And then tomorrow, you're doing page 11 and 12. So I'll go over that in the next video. But today, you're doing 2 pages, page 7, and right on the back is page 8. We are saving 9 and 10 for another day. So I just crossed them out. You can do the same thing. I still have copies of it in class for you. So again, we're going to do page 7 and 8 today. Make sure you're on the right one. It says September 5th is Cheese Pizza Day, and here is a chef with a delicious pizza. Okay, so let's go over our lesson for today for grammar. We are working with correlative conjunctions. So a correlative conjunctions are conjunctions that are used in pairs. For example, if you use the word neither, then you would also use nor. See the box for examples. So when we use these types of conjunctions, you have to match it with the correct conjunction. That's where they're called correlative conjunctions. I'm going to do 3 examples to help you get started. I ordered blank a pizza, blank a salad too. So here I would say I ordered both, because there's 2 things I did, both a pizza, and then the correlating one is and a salad too. Number 2, blank the waitress, blank the pizza chef had seen my missing math book. Ooh, so we would say neither the waitress nor, because nor goes with neither, the pizza chef had seen my missing math book. Number 3, I'm blank going to order the breadsticks, blank the dessert pizza. So think about this. Which one sounds correct? Would I say I'm not only going to order the breadsticks, but also the dessert pizza? That works. I'm not going to order the breadsticks, but the dessert pizza? That's not a complete sentence, so that doesn't work. I'm both going to order the breadsticks and the dessert pizza. No, it would be to say I'm going to order both the breadsticks and the dessert pizza. So that doesn't work. I'm either going to order the breadsticks or the dessert pizza. That sounds the best. We're going to use that one. So notice that I had to take my time and I need to figure out which one sounds correct. I'm either going to order the breadsticks or the dessert pizza. Okay, I want you guys to do numbers 4 through 8 using these correlative conjunctions. Remember, each one has to be used together based on what you decide. They go with each other. Directions, add capitals. So here's a little bit of a capitalization review and punctuation. I'll do number 9, you do 10 through 12. We always capitalize the beginning of a sentence. Yes, comma. I'd, there needs to be an apostrophe here because this is for the word I would. Yes, I'd love to grab some pizza and then see a movie. Yes, comma, I'd love to grab some pizza and then see a movie, period. And I could even do an exclamation if I want to, okay? Okay, do numbers 10 through 12 and go back to your capitalization anchor chart that's sitting in your language arts section of your binder. Now we're going to do page 8 on the back when you guys have finished page 7. So right on the back, it says September 11th is Patriots Day, which we talked about in class. And here is a symbol of the American flag, so make sure you're on the right page. This page is going to take some more time, so I only want you guys to do numbers 1 through 3 so that you're not overwhelmed. So what you're doing is you are working on capitalization with quotes. This is something really important for you guys to start practicing. We'll practice all year, but when you guys do your essays for narratives, when you guys are writing a story, you will have to have dialogue, which means you have to understand how to use capitalization in a quotation. So a couple rules. The first word in a quote is always capitalized. So look at number 1. So if I rewrite this, I'm going to capitalize Patriots Day, and Patriot Day is also a holiday, so I know it needs to be capitalized, comma. Patriot Day. If the quote is split, so sometimes you have a quote here and a quote here, and that's the case. Because look at, we have beginning and end quotes and then beginning and end quotes. So it is split. There is no beginning capital for the second part. So that means this does not have to be capitalized because the beginning of this quote started over here. It just was split up. If it's a new sentence, it does need to begin with a capital. Okay, it's not a new sentence because this is a comma. So I would capitalize the beginning of the quote, Patriot Day, comma, said our teacher, comma, quote. I'm not going to capitalize this because it's not the beginning of a new sentence. It is a day to remember people who lost their lives on 9/11, period, end quote. Okay? So I just want you guys to do number 2 and 3. Don't worry about 4, 5, and 6 unless you want extra practice. But I don't want you to do too much or overwhelm you today. So try number 2 and try number 3. And then you guys are all set for today.